Picture a market of 80 million consumers, a median age under 32, world-class engineers, and industries with almost no foreign competition. Sounds impossible? It's Iran. And you're about to learn why bold entrepreneurs are quietly moving in. Stick with me, because at the end I'll reveal a people power secret that could put you years ahead of slower rivals. Let's dive in. Iran's becoming a stealthy Silicon Tehran. Smartphone penetration tops 90%, e-commerce giants like Digikala prove locals are ready to spend online, and a flood of coders graduate every year. For foreign founders this means cheap, brilliant talent. Dev salaries can be 1/5 of Europe's. First mover advantage. Ride-hailing, fintech, AI, software as a service. Most niches still have only one or two local players. Government backing, knowledge-based firms get tax breaks, low-interest loans, and quicker licensing. Bring capital plus global know-how, and you can build the next regional unicorn before outsiders even notice. Iran already makes cars, steel, cement, and appliances, but many plants run on 1990s tech. The state is actively privatizing and hunting for foreign partners who can modernize lines, cut waste, and raise quality. Automotive components, huge local demand, import barriers protect domestic suppliers. Pharma and medical devices is a strategic priority. The market is growing 10% a year, consumer goods. A rising middle class craves better electronics, cosmetics, and packaged foods. But shelves are thin on foreign brands. Acquire stakes, upgrade machinery, own the market share others can't yet reach. Beyond oil, Iran is the world's #1 saffron and #2 pistachio producer, and farming profits are tax-free. Opportunities include processing and export of premium nuts, dried fruit, caviar, and honey. Agri-tech, irrigation sensors, greenhouse systems, drone mapping, hugely in demand for water-stressed farms, year-round production. Multiple climate zones let you harvest something 12 months a year. Pair global branding with local crops and you can capture niche gourmet markets worldwide. Yes, Iran holds the world's second-largest gas reserves. Sanctions complicate direct oil plays, but options abound. Service contracts upgrading refineries, pipelines, and efficiency. Paid in product rather than cash. Renewables boom. Deserts average 300 sunny days. The state offers 20-year power purchase guarantees for solar and wind farms. Grid tech, smart meters, battery storage, and demand management are virtually untouched territory. Enter now, lock in long-term deals, and you'll be positioned for outsized gains if future diplomacy opens the taps wider. Tourism. Ancient cities, ski slopes, island beaches, yet hotel capacity is tiny. Boutique hotels, eco-lodges, and guided tours can fill rooms fast. Food and beverage. Tehran's café culture is exploding. Globally branded restaurants face almost no direct rivals. Private healthcare and education. Iran's middle-income families will pay extra for top-tier clinics and international schools. IT outsourcing. Multilingual, highly skilled coders serve EU and Gulf clients at unbeatable rates. Services demand low capital, skip import hassles, and earn in hard currency, perfect for nimble founders. FIPPA, Foreign Investment Promotion and Protection Act, levels the playing field. 100% foreign ownership and full profit repatriation in hard currency. Golden Visa, invest about US $90K and get a 5-year residence permit for you and your family. Free trade zones such as Kish, Qeshm, Chabahar. 20 years corporate tax holiday, 0 import duties on equipment, relaxed banking rules, and no entry visas. Sector-specific perks. Agro exports pay 0 tax. Renewable energy projects enjoy guaranteed power offtake. Tech startups receive payroll rebates for hiring graduates. Legal safeguards. Compensation clauses protect against nationalization. Disputes can go to international arbitration. For a frontier market, Iran's policy package is surprisingly investor-friendly, if you know how to claim it. Sanctions and banking. Swift access is limited. You'll need creative payment channels or friendly third-country banks. Regulatory maze. Processes can be slow and rulebooks change. Hire a top local lawyer and build relationships early. Currency volatility. Hedge in euros or dirhams. Reinvest locally and use inflation clauses. Cultural nuance. Business runs on trust and patience. Learn basic Farsi greetings and honor local etiquette. Doors will open faster. Plan for these speed bumps and you'll be ahead of 90% of would-be entrants who never get past the headlines. Here's the X factor most outsiders miss: Iranian human capital. Over half the university grads are in STEM, and Iranian women hold the highest share of STEM degrees on Earth. That's an ocean of engineers, data scientists, and designers eager to innovate, yet still underutilized. Founders who tap this brainpower now will build teams as strong as Silicon Valley's at a fraction of the cost. Diplomatic rumblings hint that sanctions could possibly soften within a few years. Entrepreneurs on the ground today will own the relationships, licenses, and talent pipelines that latecomers can't buy. So ask yourself, are you waiting for CNN to tell you it's safe? Or are you ready to seize the frontier before the crowds arrive? Iran's risks are real, but so is the upside. Fortune favors the bold. Are you ready to take on the challenge?